English shorthand 100 words per minute. Be ready. Start. It is not an easy matter to give an exact definition of the efficient secretary, but I will deal with the question to the best of my ability. Para. She should have speeds of at least 120 words a minute in shorthand and 60 words a minute in typewriting, and have had a good education, the ability to use to the English language correctly is a valuable asset. It would be useful to her employer if she had knowledge of accounts and could do arithmetic. So far as experience is concerned, she should have spent at least 2 years as a shorthand typist. This would ensure that there would be no worries about the work of shorthand typing. Para. Turning to the personal qualities, two of the main items are tact and discretion. These qualities are of very great importance. This type of work involves dealing with matters which would be of interest to other people. She should not discuss her employer business outside the office, and if, when questioned by an outsider, her knowledge of a subject appears to be limited, it is far better that this should be the case than that she should try to answer the question. Para. So far as common sense is concerned, although it does not appear as a school subject, a girl should use her common sense in whatever work is allotted to her. Para. Loyalty to an employer calls for the sacrifice of one's time when work is required to be done within a certain period. The shorthand typist could leave a better over until the following day if the date's time had run out, but the trained person knows the importance of her work and shows her loyalty by finishing it when required. Para. An equable temper is another personal quality which is of great importance. The secretary should be ready to accept blame, but only if it is deserved. Para. It is essential that she should be punctual, and this quality is of very great importance throughout our life in whatever we may be doing. If every employee decided to be 10 minutes late each day, production would be cut to such an extent that some of the large firms would lose thousands of rupees per annum. Para. The private secretary should be able to do much of the work usually done by her employer. He wishes to delegate some of his routine work to her. Stop.